Today we're reading the book, My Book of Rocks and Minerals, Things to Find, Collect, and Treasure. There's a lot of pages in this book, so we're not going to read it all. We're just going to read some pages of it, at least, 2 or 3, because look how big these are. 1 or 2. Rock or mineral? Minerals are the basic building blocks of rocks. Minerals themselves are made of different chemical ingredients, and everyone has a unique recipe. When mixtures of these minerals occur together, we call them rocks. A mineral is always made of crystal shapes. The crystals in this amethyst look like small pyramids. Amethyst. Mineral. How to tell them apart. Minerals have specific properties, such as color and texture, that we can test to figure out what they are. To identify a rock, you have to look at all the minerals inside it, and how they are combined. Gabbro. Rock. You can clearly see that the rock gabbro contains a mix of white and black minerals. This is a rock, gabbro. This is page number 4, I guess. Amethyst is a purple type of quartz. When quartz is colorless, it's called rock crystal. This gabbro is a coarse-grained rock, because the mineral crystals inside it are large enough to see. What is a gemstone? A valuable piece of mineral is known as a gemstone. Its valuable depends on its rarity, color, and how perfectly formed it is. Gemstones are often polished or cut and put into jewelry. A cut gemstone allows light to bounce around it inside it, making the stone shimmer and sparkle. Cut sapphire. Polished carnelian. Gemstones can be polished to make them shine using a rock tumbler. Carnelian. Polished carnelian. Rock hounding. If you like to collect rocks and minerals, then you might be a rock hound. Rock hounding is the hobby of collecting rocks and minerals. Rocks and minerals come in all colors of the rainbow. Wow. Okay, so we're done with these 2 pages. Now we're going to read these 2 and then a couple. Where to find gems. Rocks and minerals are everywhere, so it's easy to start a collection. You can go outside and start searching, or maybe go to a local rock and mineral show, or even visit rock shops. There might even be a local club you can join. South Africa produces the highest value of minerals in the world. Clubs are mineral shows. Joining a club or visiting a rock and mineral show is a great way to find about collecting. You can discover all sorts of information, such as where you might find a certain rock type. The Gem and Mineral Show in Tucson, Arizona, USA. Riverbeds and hillsides are great places to find minerals. Out and about. The cheapest way to build your collection is to get out and collect yourself. On trips to the park or countryside, to keep your eyes to the ground. You never know what you may find. Shops. Rock shops will often sell high-quality gems as well as small pieces of polished rocks and minerals. Keep an eye out for gems that might have been dyed different colors, such as the Dalmatian stones below. White Dalmatian stone. Agate, I guess. Spotty Dalmatian stone in its natural form is white. Howlite. Howlite is usually white with gray lines in it. but this one has been dyed blue. Rose quartz, yellow Dalmatian stone, sunstone, blue Dalmatian stone. So I have this, and I have this, and I have this, all those, and I have this. But I don't have any of those. This Dalmatian stone has been dyed blue to make it more colorful. Safety first. Rocks and minerals are awesome, but you should be careful when handling them. Nothing here is really dangerous, but make sure you wash your hands after touching them and be aware of sharp edges. Rhodochrosite. Pretty sure that's how you say. Wash your hands if you've touched coal, shale, lapis lazuli, hematite, amazonite, galena, sodalite, malachite, chrysocolla, chrysocolla, azurite, rhodonite, or rhodochrosite. Okay, that was a lot of gems. Be careful of sharp edges on quartz, flint, dolomite, hornfels, obsidian, pyrite, tourmaline, and chalcedony. Obsidian, mica. Don't breathe in dust from Peely's hair, pumice, amazonite, mica, or chalcedony, including tiger's eye. I have tiger's eye. Okay. Shops. Rock shops will often sell high-quality gems as well as small pieces of polished rocks and minerals. Keep an eye out for gems that might have dyed different colors, such as the Dalmatian stones below. Unearthing minerals. Rocks and minerals make up the ground beneath our feet, so we need to dig to get them out. Stone is often cut straight from the earth in quarries, but sometimes tunnels called mines must be dug to find the right mineral. Quarries like this provide exposed rock faces from which blocks of stone can be cut. Heavy equipment is needed to move the large stones and any leftover rock called tailings. These marble blocks will be cut into smaller slabs or thin sheets. Just 1 cubic meter of marble may weigh as much as 6,000 libs. LBS, or 2,700 kilograms. Marble from this area in Italy has been used for thousands of years. Digging for treasure. Rocks and minerals are dug up for many reasons. Some rocks are useful as building materials, while minerals can contain metals such as iron or copper, which are used to create all sorts of objects. Other valuable minerals are unearthed to be stored as gemstones. This slate is mined for use in building. It can be used for tiles or in roofing. Slate. The mineral malachite is rich in the metal copper. Copper is often used to make electrical wires. Malachite. Gemstones, such as rubies, are mined and then cut into different shapes for use in jewelry. Ruby. Equipment. Rock hounds always head into the field with the right equipment. These tools and supplies will keep you safe and let you bring your finds back home in one piece. Maps. Toothpicks and chopsticks can be useful for scraping samples clean. A map will help you get to where you are going. Just be sure to get permission first. Compass. A A compass will help you follow the map. Bucket. Buckets are handy for many things. Carrying your tools, sorting loose rocks, or taking your samples back home. Toothpicks. Toothbrush. Paintbrush. Brushes like these can be useful for removing dirt from fines. Egg carton. Paper towels. An egg carton. Let me get this not blurry. An egg carton makes a handy container for any delicate items you find while rock hounding. Keep a roll of paper towels handy to wrap up your rocks and minerals for protection. Staying safe. It is smart to take supplies with you when you head out rock hounding. Make sure you pack what you need and always take an adult with you. A backpack is useful for carrying your tools, supplies, and your rocks. If it is sunny, don't forget your sunscreen, or if it looks cold, wear warm clothing. Take water and a snack to keep your energy up. It's good to wear a helmet if you are working where there are rocks overhead in case any fall. Knee pads can help make digging more comfortable. Okay, I'm gonna remember that. Rock hunting. Collecting rocks and minerals is part detective work and part treasure hunt. Finding the right location and always getting permission to collect is the first step. Then all you need to do is start looking. Watch out. It's important to stay safe when you're out rock collecting. Make sure you follow the steps below. Always take an adult with you. Watch out for falling rocks when near cliffs or steep slopes. Never enter mines or quarries. Don't collect near roads. Watch out for animals. Don't move heavy rocks. Watch out for the tide coming in at the beach. Pick a location. Do some research before you go hunting to know what you might find. You don't have to go far to discover interesting specimens. A garden or beach is ideal. Make sure you take an adult with you for safety. You can find rocks in your garden, but you might have to dig to find them. The motion of waves uncovers rocks, minerals, and fossils along the shoreline. Small streams are great places to find tough minerals, such as quartz. Watch out for slippery rocks. Cleaning. Specimens, I think that's how you say it, you collect often don't look perfect at first. You may need to scrub away the soil or clay around them. Soap and water and a brush will help get rid of all the dirt. Let any rocks you've washed dry out before you look at them, as they may appear a different color. Sponge and soapy water. Brush. Sometimes you will find a fossil or a crystal stuck inside a rock. Use a magnifying glass to examine them. Examining. Brush. Examining. Once your samples are clean, you can take a closer look at them. You may want to check your finds before you bring them home, since rocks are heavy to haul around. Alright, that's where we're going to stop. That's chapter 1 in this book. We're going to continue with a different video. So, this is where we're going to end. I'm going to continue in a different video. So, that's it for this video. I'll continue in a different video, and I'll continue from here. Bye!